Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'd like to exchange some money, please.
Certainly. What currency would you like to exchange?
I'd like to exchange 200 euros into US dollars.
All right. Let me check today's exchange rate for you.
Sure, no problem.
Based on today's rate, you'll receive $210, and there is a $5 service fee.
That's fine with me.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Please place the euros on the counter.
Here they are.
All right, just a moment while I count and process the exchange.
Take your time.
Okay, everything is complete. Here are your $20 bills and some coins.
Perfect. Could you count it with me, just to be sure?
Of course. That's $210 in total.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here you go. Have a great day and enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.